Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luna and I'm thrilled to have you here for today's video. The Realme GT 5 Pro, Realme's latest flagship phone, a notable shift in Realme's brand positioning is evident. Marking a departure from their previous budget-oriented offerings, it is clear that the Realme GT 5 Pro stands as a true flagship. Unboxing reveals a sleek box adorned with champagne-colored decorative lines in a reflective finish. The package includes the phone, a 100-watt power adapter, a charging cable, and a case with a leather-like texture on the back, featuring decorative lines around the lens, a highlight accessory for its quality. In terms of design, significant changes have been made to the Realme GT 5 Pro, aligning more with mainstream expectations, since the white leather variant named Bright Moon showcases a subtle beige color, providing a premium feel. The back design is notably restrained compared to the previous GT series, featuring only the lens module and the metal logo. The circular lens module stands out with a well-thought-out design and radial patterns in the interior, making it distinctive among smartphones. Realme's logo, although asymmetrical, adds a unique touch, resembling a designer's signature in the bottom right corner. The front boasts a micro-curved screen with narrow bezels, offering an impressive display. The metal frame contributes to an illusion of thinness, providing a comfortable feel. A surprising addition is the usage of USB 3.2, showcasing commendable transfer speed. Performance-wise, the Realme GT 5 Pro excels with the 8 Gen 3, offering strong single-core performance and reliable benchmark scores. The device handles games exceptionally well with minimal frame rate fluctuations and effective temperature control. The camera receives a substantial upgrade, particularly with the inclusion of a telephoto lens supporting macro shooting. The telephoto lens proves versatile in various scenarios, delivering stable and high-quality images, especially in low-light conditions. Video recording capabilities, including Dolby Vision HDR support, further enhance the camera's appeal. The 6.78-inch BOE screen provides an excellent display effect, supporting a maximum peak brightness of 4500 nit. The phone's battery performance is outstanding, with a 5400 battery and impressive charging speeds. 100-watt super fast charging fills the battery in approximately 30 minutes, while wireless fast charging up to 50-watt adds convenience. Running on Realme UI 5 based on Android 14, the software introduces notable features like manual app, refresh rate settings, and exclusive game memory, enhancing the overall user experience. In conclusion, the Realme GT 5 Pro represents a significant departure from its predecessors. With improved camera capabilities and a revamped design, Realme successfully balances versatility with its tradition of delivering exceptional hardware and experiences, exceeding its price point. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.